Problem 6. On a trip to the beach, An traveled 50 miles on the highway, 10 miles on a coastal access road. He drove 3 times as fast on the highway as on the coastal road. If An spent 30 minutes driving on the coastal road, how many minutes did his entire trip take? So within AMC questions, there's a universal formula that you probably memorize for distance, velocity, and time. D is the velocity times t. D is the distance, v is the velocity, t is the time traveled. So let's say this is the highway. This highway is 50 miles, right? We're trying to find, we're trying to find? The number of minutes that it took. So how much time did it take to travel this highway? That's the highway. So highway. Well, let's say that's the highway, and let's say this portion in red is the beach coastal road. And we were told that he drove 3 times as fast on the highway as on the coastal road. So let's say this is 10 miles, right? Let's say that he drove a x miles per hour. Well, that would be 3x. So in other words, this t right here, well, if we rewrite this, t is equal to distance divided by velocity. So that must be equal to 10 divided by x. And this time, right, must be equal to 50 miles divided by 3x. Now, we're told that if An spent 30 minutes driving on the coastal road, then we can solve for this, right? That's equal to 30 minutes. Right? And 30 minutes, and this is 30 miles. So in other words, this x will be equal to 1 over 3 miles per minute. That is his velocity. So therefore, we can solve for t right here for the highway, which is equal to 50 over 3 times 1 over 3, which must give 50 miles. Or rather 50 minutes, right? Because this is in the units of miles per minute, right? And then we know that this is in terms of miles. So the miles and miles gets canceled, and we're left with minutes in the numerator. So that's 50 minutes for the highway, and that's 30 minutes for the coastal road. 50 plus 30 gives 80. Your final answer is answer choice C.